What about the movement to low code, no code solutions and the popularity of open source systems like Odoo? And I know you have some strong opinions about open source and Odoo. What are your thoughts on that movement in the ERP space?
I don't believe the business belongs in the code. Excuse me. So that's a personal thing, and I work really hard as an independent and agnostic advisor to make sure that that doesn't influence my our recommendations, because we do recommend Odoo every now and again, just as often as anybody else. And I think that it does provide the teams that have, excuse me, the maturity of their IT office a great opportunity. It feels like a smaller software package for smaller companies, so I would be aware of that. Somebody came to me recently though with a really interesting conversation, which was Odoo is a core base for a composable ERP approach. What if we get our manufacturing from someone else? Sorry, I got like a frog in my throat or something, and I'm out of coffee, so I will bear with it. But as a composable ERP approach, so we could run our finances with Odoo, but manufacturing out of something else. That was a really interesting idea for me, because it was they're literally talking about buying two different ERPs, but one for back of the house ops and one for shop floor ops. And I think that's a great idea. It's of course not that I know of tried and tested by any means, but it's an interesting thought process that really might expand the footprint of Odoo into a lot of hearts and minds, and that it gives an opportunity where a company can control their own integrated environment